Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Want to see the Eland house? Come on inside. It's honestly one of my favorite here at the Sportpro Lodge. It's got sports history from around the world in like a caricature graffiti type style. So if you come in, like I said, we've got tennis players, rugby players, all kinds of crazy things, sports players from around the world. Roger Federer on the side. All the rooms are named after some sports icon. Usain Bolt room on our left, the Jamaican King. Check it out, come on through. Come check it out, pretty sweet, come on through. Big bathroom over here, as well as a shower on our right and a shower on our left in our Michael Jordan room. I'm from Chicago, so a personal favorite of mine. And then we've got our UFC fighter group. Bang, 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 don't catch him outside. Blue Bulls on our left, and yeah, inside this Eland house, it's just sports history, and it makes you feel like you're here, fired up for your game or fired up for your event.